The Restore State add-on. If you are modeling and you like to save your progress in steps, then this add-on is just the right one for you. Select your mesh object and press the Save Current State button. Your saved state will be displayed in the panel as the object's name and a state number. Changing the object in edit mode and saving the state will add a new state in the panel. The location and rotation will also be stored when saving. Add your modifiers to the object and apply them. Save your current state and you have another step to go back or to jump to. Adding materials can also be saved as a state. And you can always go back to an earlier state if needed. When selecting another object that has no saved states, the Restore and Clear buttons in the panel become unselectable. Saving the current state of the new selected object will add a new state box in the panel. Like before, you can make adjustments to your object and save those states. In this example, some vertices of Suzanne's head were deleted. Going back to a previous state, making some adjustments. And saving this state again to the current state is so easy. Only a selected object with saved states will enable the buttons. The other object's buttons will stay disabled. And of course, you can switch from object to object anytime to make adjustments. A state or states that are not needed anymore can be cleared from the panel. The last selected state will be the visible state if the Clear All States button is pressed. And the name of the object will be removed from the panel. To make objects that have saved states more visible, there is a toggle button to show all these objects. They will be displayed as wireframe. Helpful if there are a lot of objects in the scene. For renaming an object that has saved states, you need to use the Rename option in the panel. By using this, all your saved states will be available again for later if you save your blend file. And of course, with the new name, the Restore and Clear buttons can be used again.